rules on hunting for income. Rule 5. Balance risks with short-duration investments. Aside from credit risks, a bond investor also faces interest rate risks. When interest rate rises, there tends to be more bonds paying higher dividends in the market. Such dynamics will lower the appeal of bonds that pay relatively low coupons and hence hurt their bond prices. So what are the interest rate risk and credit risk levels prevailing in the bond market? Let's compare sovereign bonds, global investment grade bonds, and high-yield bonds. Sovereign bonds tend to have relatively low credit risks, but since interest rates are at a historical low, their interest rate risks are therefore relatively high. The same applies to global investment grade bonds. Their interest rate risk levels are relatively high too. The COVID-19 pandemic has hammered the global economy and brought challenges to many businesses. Rising credit risks are inevitable. Using the concept of credit spread, bonds' risk premium has actually climbed to a rather high level since the global financial crisis. Even though global high-yield bonds have relatively low interest rate risks, their credit risks are at the top of the current economic cycle. Applying short-duration investment strategy can help lower both interest rate and credit risks. Take US corporate bonds. When the economy turns bad, both investment-grade and high-yield bonds tend to see rising credit risks. Although investment-grade bonds have relatively low credit risks, their high interest rate risks are pretty high given their lower than normal yields. Using the short-duration strategy, however, can improve your exposure to the aforementioned risks because the exposure time is shortened. In a subdued rate yet high-risk environment, investing in short-duration bonds may help. To strike the best balance between risks and returns, Allianz Global Investors uses short-duration investment tools. We target to lower risks without having to sacrifice too much return. Active is hunting for income. Stay tuned for the 5 other rules on how we seek income opportunities for you. Allianz Global Investors.